Hello everyone, welcome back to my first tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. This is a simple drawing. Now we'll learn how to create a model in AutoCAD. First go to the AutoCAD software. Just I have opened AutoCAD. This one is the Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 version. Now we'll see the model. This is our model. First we'll set up the AutoCAD. First go to the AutoCAD. To go for a new model, just click here, go to new, drawing. Here choose any one of the template. Just open it. This way we can open the new file. Now before drawing any model, first set up the unit. Just go for unit, just type units, enter. Here we need to choose decimal. So precision, if you have a dimension which is two digit precision, means we need to go for this one. 3-digit precision you wanted means you want to go for this one. For this model you don't have that kind of thing. All are single value, so just go for single 0. Then here we need to choose the unit. Here our units are in millimeter. Choose millimeter. Just say OK. Now we have set the units. Then just go to the model. Then we need to set the limits. To specify the limits, just limit is nothing but is taking the sheet for drawing. Taking the drawing sheet for drawing in the software. For example, in this PPT, you can see this slide. This is a sheet. The same way we need to choose it. This corner it is 0, 0, so x coordinate and y coordinate. This is 0, 0, and this point we have some values. Similarly, we need to choose it. So the maximum x coordinate and y coordinate for the drawing is, here you can see the maximum x length is 70 and the maximum y length is 40. Then we need to choose the sheet, drawing sheet, which is more than the diagram, more than the drawing. So this is 0, 0. Then this should be more than the x length and y length of the model. For that I am taking 100, 100, which is more than the x length and y length. So same way, just go the model. Wherever you just press escape if you choose wrongly any commands. Now just specify the limits. Just enter the limits here. First limit is 0, 0, 0, 0, enter. Then second limit, that is upper right corner, is 100, 100. Based on the drawing, the limits will change as I explained previously. Just enter it. Then Z, we need to zoom it. Z, enter. Then zoom all, A, enter. Now based on the limits we have specified it. It will, based on the limit, it will zoom the sheets. Now we can draw the model here. For easy drawing and to see the dimension, I'm just keeping this, just escape it. I'm just keeping this after right side and model in the left side. Just go for here. Yes. Now we can model this component. First start from, I'm going to start from here. You can start the model from wherever you want to start. So for me, it's better to start here. Just go for a line. I'm just taken a line. Just specify where point somewhere. Anywhere you can specify it. Now you can see the line is inclined line. It's not making a straight horizontal or vertical line. It's coming as an inclined line. To make this as a horizontal line, there is an option called ortho mode. Here you can see. Just move your cursor and place it in this perpendicular one. This one is called ortho mode icon. To make switch on it, just click it here. You will get switch on the ortho mode on. This blue color indicates that this command is enabled. then again clicking it, it will get disabled. You can same thing, you can switch on it by using a command mode, which is shortcut key of F8. Just press F8. Now we have switched on it. Then just specify the length of 40. Just 40, enter. Now we just want to move on to the vertical side. Just move your cursor to the upper side and specify the length of 10. Just 10, enter. Then we need to move on the right side. Just specify the length of 30, enter. Then again here you can see this total length is 40. We have specified 10 mm here. The remaining length we need to specify it. The remaining length is 20. Remaining length is 30. 30, enter. Then again go for the left side. Just move your cursor to the left side. Specify the value of 70. Then to close the sketch, you can specify C close also. What it will do, where you are starting the sketch, then there it will close. Simply you just move your cursor to this point. This green color square it will show, that means it's a end point. If you are not viewing this green color square, just go here. There is a snap cursor to reference point. Just click this one. Whatever the points you want to see, that points will just make it enable. You want to see the quadrant also, just click this enable of quadrant points. Then you can see the quadrant of circle also. Now just move your cursor here. Just click it here, right click and close. Now we have created the model, the outer sketch we have done. Then we just want to create the circle here and here. There are multiple ways of creating the circle. I'm going to explain a simple way. Just the coordinate, center point coordinate is 25 mm from this point, and from here to here we need to find the dimension. The total dimension whatever they have given is just calculate it, 20, 10 and 20. Total is 50. Total length is 70. So minus 70 minus 50 is 20. Then the dimension from here and here is 10 mm and here is 10 mm. So the center point of the circle is 25 from the x-axis and 20 from the y-axis. Now just take a line. Start from here. From here it is 25 and from here to here it is 20. Just right click, cancel. Now we have found the center point. Now just simply take the circle. There are different circle options are available. Just choose the diameter circle. Just click it here. The diameter is 20. Just enter it. Now we just want to find the center of the second circle. Now we are in this point. Just move from this point to this point, which is 10 mm plus 10 mm plus 10 mm. Totally 30 mm. Take a line from here, which is 30. Right click, cancel. Take a circle at the diameter, center and diameter. Just provide the center point. Diameter is 20. Just escape it. Now we have done the modeling. Just remove the unwanted edges. Simply just select this line, delete it. Select this line, delete it. There are multiple ways of deleting or removing the unwanted lines. This is one of the simplest way. You can use trim tool also. This one is the trim tool. We can use this trim tool also to delete the unwanted edges. Now this edge also not required, just delete it. Now we have modeled the full model. Then we just want to specify the dimension. For that, just go here. This is a smart dimension, or we can choose dimensions from here. Whatever the dimension you want to specify it. Just take the linear dimension from this point and to this point. This one is 40. Similarly, just go to the linear dimension again from this point and this point, which is 10 mm, and similarly take a dimension again from this point and this point, which is 40 mm, and take a dimension again. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get center point from here to here, which is 25. If it is, don't place your dimensions very closer. Just to move this dimension command, just click it here. It will get selected. Then click this blue button. Then it can able to move. Similarly here also, just click it here. Just click here. simply you can move, just escape. Then we need to specify the diameter of the both the circle. For that, just go here. There are two options. We can specify radius as well as diameter. I'm going to specify diameter. Just click it here and just click it here. Here you can edit this value also. Just left tab, comma, 2 holes. Just click it here, just delete it. Just delete it. Now just go to the dimension, diameter, just click. Similarly, we can specify radius also. Here itself we can write it. Double click here. Comma, 2 holes. Then the dimension from the center point to center point we can specify, or any way we can specify. These 2 holes diameter are 2 holes. Now just go to the dimension, linear dimension again. From this center point to the center point. If you want to see the center point here, just click it here. It is 30. The dimension should not be overlapped. Just click it here. Just move it and place it in this direction. Now we have specified the dimensions. To change the size of this dimension values, just go for the command called dim style. Dim, STY. Just enter it. Use this standard. Modify. Symbols, just specify the values. 4. Here also be 4. Primary units, make it 0. Just say OK, then close it. Now the dimensions are in the settings of ISO. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next tutorial, we'll come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.